Please see the link in the description to download a worksheet for this video. If you've not already watched the video on place value composition part 1, then we suggest that you watch that video before viewing this one. In this video, we'll continue learning about place value composition. We'll learn what a tenth and what a hundredth look like, and we'll solve a sample test question about place value composition with decimals. First, we'll learn what a tenth and a hundredth look like. We'll start by learning what a tenth is. We start with one whole block. Next, we divide it into 10 equal parts. Then we keep just one of those parts. This is 1/10 of one whole. We call this 1/10. For the tenths place value, each level has only 1/10 of a block. Now, let's learn what a hundredth is. We start with one whole block. Next, we divide it into 100 equal parts. Then we keep just one of those parts. This is 1/100th of one whole. We call this 1/100th. For the hundredths place value, each level has only 1/100th of a block. Next, let's learn how to solve a sample test question about place value composition with decimals. Here's another sample test question. Compose 200 plus 60 plus 4 plus 0.9 plus 0.03. The test makers want us to write a number that is made by composing the above parts. There are addition signs between each number, so that tells us we're going to combine these. This is our strategy. First, we'll draw the rounding rainbow so that we know where all the place values go. Second, we'll write the non-zero digits in their unique place values. As a reminder, the zero digit looks like a narrow circle. The non-zero digits are the other 9 digits that are not zero. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We'll start with step 1, which is to draw the rounding rainbow. Here's the rounding rainbow. We draw this for all math problems that ask about place values. Now we'll do step 2, which is to write the non-zero digits in their unique place values. We'll begin by writing the question below the rounding rainbow. The first number has a 2 in the hundreds place, a 0 in the tens place, and a 0 in the ones place. The 2 digit is the non-zero digit in this number, so we can write a 2 in the hundreds place. Now let's turn to the next number. There's a 6 in the tens place and a 0 in the ones place. The 6th digit is the non-zero digit in this number, so we can write a 6 in the tens place. Now let's turn to the next number. There's only a 4. The 4 digit is the non-zero digit in this number. That means this is the digit for the ones place. So we'll write a 4 in the ones place. Now let's turn to the next number. There's a 0 in the ones place and a 9 in the tens place. The 9 digit is the non-zero digit in this number, so we'll write a 9 in the tens place. Now let's turn to the next number. There's a 0 in the ones place and a 0 in the tens place, but a 3 in the hundreds place. The 3 digit is the non-zero digit in this number, so we'll write a 3 in the hundreds place. This is the final number. This is the answer. If we want, we can confirm this with a calculator. 200 plus 60 plus 4 plus 0.9 plus 0.03 equals 264.93. This is how 264 blocks look using our number system. Now we'll fill in the tenths and hundredth place values. We see there are 9 levels of the 1/10 blocks and 3 levels of the 1/100th blocks. This shows how many full block and partial blocks make up the number 264.93. In the video on word forms part 2, we'll learn that the correct way to say this number is 264 and 93 hundredths. Finally, let's review this topic by looking at the blocks that make up each level. This is the hundreds place value. Each level is made of 100 blocks. This is the tens place value. Each level is made of 10 blocks. This is the ones place value. Each level is made of 1 block. This is the tenths place value. Each level is made of a thin slice of 1 block. That slice equals the width of 1/10 of a block. This is the hundreds place value. Each level is made of a very thin slice of 1 block. That very thin slice equals the width of 1/100th of a block. Thanks for your attention.